back to my channel. Today is going to be a realistic whole house clean with me. Normally, I don't realistically clean my whole house in one day, but my in-laws are coming in a couple days and I just need to get it done. My house is not a disaster, but it is dirty to me. There is dog hair in about every crevice and it just needs to be picked up. It needs to be like, counters need to be wiped down and just a lot of stuff need to be wiped down. I am also not over being sick. I've been sick for 3 weeks and now I'm starting to get a stuffy nose. I don't know if you can hear it, but like to me, I sound funny. And I just want to point out, like, this is my window and that's the sky. That is like really pretty out there. Yeah, let's get into this. It is officially 7 a.m. I have to take my oldest to preschool here in about 20 minutes. And then I have an hour or so before I put my youngest down for a nap. So I'm just gonna try to, like, in between life, I'm going to try to be cleaning this up. This is probably going to take me all day. It's gonna be like a whole house all day clean with me. So let's get into it. Before we get into today's video, I want to say that today is a collab with Yesenia's A Mom's Life. You guys would love her channel if you love mine. She has tons and tons of cleaning motivation and she does a lot of what's for dinners and grocery hauls. She makes the most yummiest looking food. You guys will love it. So make sure after this video you go check hers out. This video is about 16 minutes long, so if you guys have the motivation, I would say get up, set your timer, put me up on your TV, your iPad, phone, whatever you guys watch YouTube videos on, and just let it play and clean with me, because I definitely have some motivation in this video. It may not look like my house is messy here, but if you watch to the end, this video took me all day, like all day. I started at 7 a.m. and I did not end till about 8 o'clock and my kitchen was destroyed. I mean destroyed, because I was focusing on the rest of my house that I just totally let it go. New here, I want to formally introduce myself. My name is Kristen. This is Life Made Simple. I also run lifemadesimple.blog, where I do a lot of home renovation and home decor posts on there. So if you like that type of stuff, I will leave the link down below. And I do tons of cleaning videos, a lot of cleaning motivation. I do grocery hauls on occasion. And this shot right here shows that there was a whole bunch of Cheerios. Well, let me say that there was quite a few Cheerios under my couch cushions, and usually there is way more, so I was actually fairly happy with not so many Cheerios. And I fairly get quite a few questions asking where my couch is from, and I actually got it on overstock.com. I highly suggest it if you've ever been scared of buying a couch online. Honestly, it was a great experience. I love this couch. It is like perfect. It's not too soft, but it's not too hard. It definitely holds its shape. And it comes in tons of sizes. You can get it from a chair all the way up to a size like the shape of a U. If you're wondering what I just did there, I always take essential oils and I put about 5 drops on the vacuum filter, and oh my gosh, it makes my house smell amazing. So I highly suggest, if you have essential oils and you like that type of stuff, try it on your vacuum filter. You will be mind blown. fact, I really do not like the tile on this fireplace, and my husband and I discuss it all the time, like what we want to do with it. Do we want to rip it out, chance breaking the frame around like the mantle, or do I want to paint it? And I would not mind painting it, I just don't know what to paint it. Do I paint it gray? Do I paint it white? Is that too much white? Do I paint it black? Is that too dark? I don't know. If you guys have suggestions, comment down below and let me know. And if you're new here, you're probably wondering, why is your curtains on your desk? Well, I just painted this wall and I still have to paint inside the windows, and so that's why they're sitting over there on the desk. To show you how dirty those blinds were, this is like, look at all that dust. Now I'm gonna have to like re-vacuum, but it was ridiculous. I swear I can't keep up with this stuff. Like, look at all that dust. It just kind of like fell off of it. It's down there too, so I'm gonna have to vacuum that up. I am getting so excited about this little area in our room, just having like a workspace. I have a company that I'm working with in the next couple weeks that I have a piece of art that is getting ready to be put around our desk area. I have some shelves in mind that I want to do, and I just want to make this like a nice, fun area to go and do all my editing and all my work for my blog.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat?
Now I'm moving on to my 1-year-old's room. I have a whole bunch of 18-month like winter clothes that I needed to hang up that I got out of storage to put in her closet. They don't fit her right now, but I needed to make more room for all the clothes that I save and like hand down to her. So I decided to get out her winter jacket, all that stuff, even though it is still 100 degrees here in Texas. But you know what? I heard that tomorrow is supposed to be 87 degrees. So, oops, so excited for that.
We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got.
This would be me having a flashback to my husband saying that, no, Kristen, we don't need to have 2 baby carriers because you didn't use the first one. Well, he was right. I barely used that one with Chloe. I just never had to use it. We never really went anywhere for me to use it. And yeah, that was bad.
It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We can get back to this.
So I am in the market for a good air purifier. Chloe has a small one that I got from Amazon on her dresser, and I actually do not suggest it at all. I don't really care for it. Hers is still going strong, but my oldest daughter, she had one and it just like stopped working one day. They're not even a year old, so I don't understand why hers quit working. But I do want to say that it does actually work. Like, her room is not near as dusty as the rest of the house, but I want like a big one. I want one that goes like in the living room or our bedroom, but there's just so many of them, it kind of overwhelms me. So this is our spare bedroom, and I have the changing pad in here because we have always just laid on the floor and changed Chloe, and we thought, we have a bed across the hallway, like why don't we just take her in there and set her on there and like save our backs? So that was my husband's brilliant idea, so that's what we do.
I just wanna have a good time, call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that.
So here in a minute you're gonna see my daughter. She's gonna come in and she's so freaking cute. She just got this Halloween costume from one of our family friends, and it's a witch costume like mixed with the princess dress. So she's obsessed. She's been wearing it all night. But what I am doing is, my daughter actually had like a little accident the other night, and as a backup, we don't have 2 mattress covers. We have one for her mattress, and then we have our mattress cover. So what I was doing is just taking our mattress cover, which we had just laid on top of her mattress and then put the sheet on. We were taking that off and putting hers back on, and her mattress cover is actually not white anymore. It is like a hot pink, because we had a slight mishap with a brand new red shirt and it dyed it.
To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright.
So if you notice, my daughter has the exact same rug that we have out in the living room. She actually had it in her room first, and I loved it so much. I got it on Amazon Prime Day for like $50, and we went ahead and went to rugsusa.com and bought the bigger one on sale for the living room. But it is like such a great rug. It's like an off-white, but it looks really, really good, and it definitely hides any type of stains. It cleans up really well, so I highly suggest it. I know a lot of people have it, but that's because it's such a great rug.
Sing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, sing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like.
Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues, and in the dirt.
Most part, I didn't actually have to clean either of my bathrooms today. They were really clean, and I had just cleaned them not that long ago, so all I did was pick up a few things and then move on to the next part. And this is the kitchen. I honestly am gonna say, like, my kitchen hardly ever looks this bad. Like, this was bad, and I was really kind of overwhelmed and tired by this point, and I still had to edit this video, so I was just trying to quickly get this as clean as possible.
Down in the dirt.
Comment down below if your dog constantly tries to get in the dishwasher. Like, he is always trying to get in the dishwasher, and I always have to like swat him back because he has actually started to like, did you see that, like the weight he puts on the like the door? It's kind of bent it a little bit, so I try my hardest to just kind of keep him off of it, but he loves to lick the dishes.
Starting to calm down in the morning light. I'm in the dirt.
So yeah, this was pretty much the end of the night, and I had to stop cleaning at least 3 or 4 times. One time Emma wanted me to color with her, so I stopped to color with her. Another time I had to stop because she was done with her bedtime routine and it was time to read books, and my husband said she was requesting me, so we had to go back and we had to read a book, and then I finally came out and got to do all that.
Told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold.
here is where I wanted to show you guys, like, this is how much dirt and hair I picked up throughout my whole house. Like, that is gross, but that is real life. And thank you so much. This is the end of the video. If you made it all the way through, put your favorite emoji down below so I know that you made it. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.